Again, we would like to thank the contributions of our premier as the Shaky Super League Ambassador. Let's give our hands again. University Father Alvin Swan to introduce our
We can't wait to see where all of your journeys takes you next. Thank you, Bella.
Sobrang thankful ako sa Shakey's kasi isa sila sa naghulma sa kung ano man ako ngayon. And congratulations, Shaina. Alam kong in good hands ang Shakey's. Ayun lang po.
Let's give a round of applause to our new brand ambassador for Shakey's Super League, Ms. Shaina Natura.
I'm gonna do my best pa rin and not gonna stop. Although ay pa rin and paglalaban yung Adamson. And thank you po sa opportunity. Thank you, Ate Bella.